On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolio's taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. What is going on? Happy Friday, everybody. Hopefully you've all made a mountain of money this week. You've shorted the pink box. You've longed the pink box. You've taken the trades. And you're kicking ass. Good to see everybody. Happy Friday. Let's jump into the charts, baby. My goodness. How are we all doing? What a beautiful, beautiful day it is to print. I think some people are long right now. Let me know in the chat if you are long, strong, getting the friction on. Baby got back. I'm currently in no trades. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. We're coming up into a local golden pocket right now. Potential rejection here. However, rolling over. Pink box printing. We'll see where we get to today. But, yeah, Biddy getting its ass whooped. Same with Erythrium. Oh, man. Yeah. That big old Bart Simpson pattern, guys. Looking for longs on Solana down here for the Discord. Level given in advance. Just a nice, slow, choppy, methodical bleed out after some bullish inflation data. That's basically where we're at. Nothing too special, right? It's just what it is. It is what it is. Don't you hate people who say it is what it is? But it is Friday, so we like to talk a little bit extra smack, and we like to, have some fun. It's always fun here. We'll see where the coffee trade gets us today. And coffee trade's been absolute fire lately. It's absolutely getting a bit ridiculous. What's going on, Mike? Good to see you, though. I don't know what to call you. Bagat? Good morning. God bless you. God bless you too, man. Army Piper in here. David Stacy, Milan, Fred, Got Wood, Dusty. How you doing, guys? Good to see you. Duality. Good morning, gang. Good to see you guys. Rashad, Y Crypto. Good morning. Jabron, Marius, Brian. How you guys doing? G1. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. Good morning, Alexandra G. Drive safe. Always driving into work. Steve Hockey. Otter gang. Let's go. And Curtis Hill, man. How you doing, Curtis? Good to see you, bro. Decent Crypto, Kodak. Chantel. Happy Freaky Friday. Uh-oh, watch out. Those Northern Ontario ladies, man. Why? Watch out. Is that a tell, Chantel? Oh, man. MRPG, Jojo, Kodak, Wayne C. Wayne, you must be getting some nice sandwiches lately. I think you've been on fire lately. Good to see you, bro. Marius, good to see you. Kevin, good morning. Jesse, good morning. Proof, good morning. Wagwan, Philly Skills, my man. Choppy at the toppy, man. This price action something, isn't it, guys? We all having fun? Oh, it wants to go up here. It wants to go up, but when? I don't know. We'll see. Coming into that resistance right now. Aggressive move through VWAPs, typically bullish. Can we look for longs here? Potentially. I think it's a little bit overextended. This liquidity in here might needs to be recovered. Go swing low to swing high in here. Just so that we're prepared. Let's bring this puppy up here. This is our major bounce level though. We've hit the 786 on the local beautiful dump here. Bart Simpson. So if we go swing low to swing high, we have hit our 786. Let me just extend it this way here. Oof. Right into it. Right into that beautiful golden pocket 786 area. So if we're going to bounce somewhere and hold this higher high, higher low kind of it's an ugly channel. But we've been trading this channel in the Discord all week, so, and last week. So trying to defend these lows. If we fail to hold in here, okay, then we're coming here. It's very simple. If this, then that. Okay. If this, then that. I feel like my lighting's all messed up right now this morning. Oh, I turned this down because I was getting blinded. That's a bit better. All right. So trying to defend the lows. We'll see how it goes. Are these too bright? Whoa. Whoa. Calm down. We'll see where we get to. So, pink box for the win. Everybody's still short from the pink box. Can I get a 2 in the chat if you're short from the pink box? I want to congratulate you. Pink box is, I mean, it's a beautiful. It's just like the coffee long. There's some like little secret witchcrafty material here. Did you guys enjoy the market cipher video yesterday? I think it was pretty good. Giving away too many secrets. Marius, good to see you. 585. Kodak, Matt, Shriyan, good morning, man. Gang. Tony Soprano. What's going on, Tony? I think Wayne shorted from the pink box. He was up like 9 racks in the Discord. Nice job, Wayne. GG's to Wayne. Aaron, good to see you, man. Wayne just waits for the pink box and longs and shorts them. He's a smart one. Bruno, good to see you, man. V Monitor, Aaron, how you guys doing? Marius, Tony Soprano. Good morning. What do you call a pile of cats? A mountain. I love it, man. Thank you for the dad joke this morning. Tony Soprano. Buck, how's it going, bro? How's everything down in Texas? Good to see you, V Monitor. God bless you, man. Curbstar, decent. Good morning, dependable. How you doing? JR Prince in the house. What's going on, JR? How's everything going this week? Mind mates. My God, you guys are out in full force. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. Jabrun, Trenchy's in here. Can you please say butthole? Cool, Marge. We got shorts from the pink box? No shorts from the pink box. Everybody's closed out their shorts. That's all right. Long and strong. I mean, it is a long zone, depending on how market how market structure behaves down here. Should be interesting. I think a bunch of people are long as well. Easy play, E-play, good morning. Good to see you, man. How you doing, Fletchy? What up, homie? We are in that rejection zone right now. But we have flipped 60. We have flipped. We have flipped that $63,000 macro support and resistance. So looking for pullbacks here, potentially holding and going. Balloon donkey here. Or giraffe. It looks like a giraffe. It even got like the giraffe ears right now. Aggressive move through VWAP. Typically bullish, coming in for a back test here. My only issue right now is I don't like price here. This is crawled up. But this is a decent sweep and go. Just bleeding out yesterday. I mean, we were all looking for what were we looking for here? Yeah, so we were looking for shorts. Double top in here, breaking down. We were looking to hunt this low. It took forever, guys. This took forever. Hunted the low. I said caution here, SFP. And then we had the sweep and the bounce into resistance here, and then down we went to all Asia. So failing to hold the range is what we have here, right? When you fail to hold the range, okay, and you retest the lows of the range, which is just that right there, retest the lows of the range, you just continue down the lazy river of pain. That's what happened last night, if you're not aware. Okay, so pretty obvious, but breakdown, retest, continuation, right? Whenever you come back into areas of support. Look at this order block too. My God, perfect order block. Tap and dump. So a beautiful short last night for all you. I think Asia's been trading a little bit better than New York. New York was a gong show yesterday. I mean, I made like $800 yesterday, and then I ran away. I went and hung out with my son. We went to the park. We went and jumped on some trampolines, and I bought him his first hockey helmet. I'm gonna start taking him public skating. You know, dad life. Updating the Discord, preparing everybody. It's pretty good Thursday for me. I mean, no complaints. And if I did complain, you guys tell me shut up. They're like, Alex, you click a couple buttons, you enjoy the rest of the day with your family, you update the Discord, you set them up for success, and you have a beautiful wife. So why else would I complain? Who's listening anyways? It is Freaky Friday. Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful day. Good to see you guys. Second cipher video is fire. Put the coffee trade right now. We need longs. Oh, man. I don't think we're ready to go up yet. Kodak, good to see you. Sina, good morning. Bart is forming. Yeah, that's the one, man. French Toaster in the chat. How you doing, brother? Good to see you, man. French, you have a nice rest chilling. Rashad Bassinator. What's going on, man? Is that like your fishing name? How was golf the other day? I shot an 84. I feel like it was more like an 87. I took a couple of gimmies because it was my first round back. My short game was bad, but driver was on fire, man. So you closed the pink box short an hour or two ago. Nice, Cena. Nice. GG's on that trade. Cool, Marge. Good morning. Good to see you. Vegas. How you doing, brother? Good to see you, man. Loco. Yeah, the video was good. Thanks, Trenchy. Good morning, Deep. Good morning, Miller. Good morning, Chocolate. Chocolate, salty, beep. Big, flappy donkey, beep. Looking for crypto master Ara in the Familia. Spain or England? No. Spain or Argentina? See? I'm just happy the hockey schedule's out. We don't no hockey until end of September, so you guys got my full attention. Full attention till then. Then it's like, okay. Notorious. Thank God it's Friday. Felipe Cullen. My man, Loco. How you doing, man? A little choppy at the toppy right now. Nice push through VWAP. Trying to hold here. This is... Yeah. Not somewhere where I'm looking to long. I'd prefer back in here. We'll see. Quite the sell-off, though, yesterday. I mean, double top, pretty obvious. Double top failing to get above here. We also have, like, swing high to swing low, impulse fib. We just front-ran that a little bit, right? I thought we would get a liquidity grab here, but we didn't. And then, boop, 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 boop. And these shorts are pretty easy shorts, right? Retest to previous lows, continuation down twice, right? Easy shorts. And then here we are, bottom of the range, trying to find macro support. And like 61, is it? 61 still on the table, guys, very much so. Like if we look in here, right? Just a plethora of weakness. This is a balloon dinosaur now, right? Balloon dinosaur. Big ass teeth. Just a little channel, right? So whenever you're making a channel, ascending channel in an uptrend, to me, this just says we need to come and grab liquidity. Unfortunately, guys, like we can see the bulls have failed to push price action 3 times. We have created whatever, the most jankiest, ugliest head and shoulders. Measure move brings us all the way down, you know, back into this area here. We've left liquidity, okay? We've left our friend liquidity down here. Okay, this would all be liquidity. People building up longs. Swing low to swing high here. All right. And we have not had a full retracement. So, in my opinion, unless we hold right where we are right now, we are coming here. That's just it. You don't got to make it too... here's a rollover here. See, these candles suck too. It's like board, dump, board, pump, board, dump, right? So it's a tricky market to navigate right now. If you haven't made adjustments, you're behind. You need to adjust to the conditions of the market, which is a very challenging thing. I made a video for you guys on that this week so that you guys can understand the volatility index and hopefully make those adjustments accordingly. It's important that you do that. Otherwise, you're going to end up over trading. This is a very much like this will get you tilted and over trading this kind of price action. So your best bet, in my opinion, is you make your money. I made $800 yesterday and I stopped trading. That's it. I leave. The pockets are full. I leave. If they don't fill up off of setups, I set alerts. I wait for those areas. You must trade your strategy. As much as that I feel like that sounds retarded, but like a lot of people don't. A lot of people see green candle buy, right? Green candle buy, red candle sell, right? And they fail, and it breaks my heart because I know this is possible for everyone, but some people are, I guess I think the key is not having to trade out of desperation, right? You can't be trading. You got to be in a centered kind of lifestyle, in my opinion. The external circumstances of your life are going to really impact your life and your trading, right? Like it's going to be like, oh my God, I need to make this money, or oh my God, I'm getting fired from my job. Oh my God, she's going to leave me, right? It's a lot of those external things. this has to be a little bit of an obsession, I think, to be successful too. Like you gotta want it. And I'm not saying that you guys don't want it. You need data. You need to be aggressive. You need to know when to chill. I'm just here to do it alongside you guys. It ain't easy, is it? Such a great motivational speaker. Oh fuck. Do it. Starmer is out today. Nice. Good morning, Andy. Good to see you, Loco. Good to see you, man. Drew, good morning. How you doing, man? He's got a YouTube fishing channel. Go and watch some fishing, guys. Does the membership have 3-year warranty? There is no warranty. John Madden, let's go, baby. That's over a lot of people's head. We got to do the John Madden scribbles, man. Blair Force One, how you doing, man? How you been? Damn spammer on Discord trying to get me to click a link, pretending to be Alex. Yeah, I won't ever message you guys, man. If you join the Discord, there's like 15 scammers that pop up right away. I have tried everything to get rid of these things. It's impossible. I've also noticed that like between like 7 p.m. and 10 p.m., a whole bunch of people try to join the Discord and scam people as well. Like, don't click on any links, guys. Don't private message people. Don't like open up a damn ticket if you're not sure, please. Just open a ticket and say, Alex, this guy's messaging me. You get direct access to me by opening up a ticket. Now, if you open up a ticket and spam me for no reason, I will gladly give you the boot. I have no time for that, but I do care about my community, and I will try to do my best to help defend you guys. But you guys got to do your part too. All right. What's the plan, Unc? Well, right now, we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it for sure. What's going on, Real Bay? Good to see you. Vegas Claw, my man, Kuna. Thank you for being here. Patience pays. Absolutely. Today, make video of why we mark charts. Yeah. Clarity Act, what do you expect? Maybe this question was before. Well, I think they got till the end of the month to figure it out. We got the end of the month to figure out that Clarity Act. They need to do something, right? You are famous, Alex. That's all, dude. Like 100 profiles PM'd me. Nah, man, I'm not famous. I talk shit and click buttons. That's it, man. Thank you for being here, though, man. If you have 0 landing pages except a how to join channel where people join, the scammers can't see any members to send scam DMs. See, the problem is, Piper, is that I keep the free section available to people too. Right? I keep a free section because we were free for like 3 years, our Discord. We were free forever. And then we hired a bunch of traders, and the rest is history, but I'm still holding on to those free sections, you know? I think that's maybe the problem. So many times I've talked with the mods and talked with everyone. I'm like, should I keep them open or should I close them? Right? I feel like we should close it a lot of the times because I've had some pretty nasty messages of people getting scammed, and I feel horrible. And I know it's not my fault, right? You gotta be diligent. I don't click any links. You guys can imagine the amount of people that email me and message me. I mean, I have an email down below in the description. The amount of thumbnail makers there are in this world, I cannot tell you guys how many people are trying to make a thumbnail for me. Like how many open mouth aubergine thumbnails don't screenshot that, right? So here's the plan, guys. Here's the plan. Let's take a look. So if this, then that, right? Where are we at? Where are we looking to go? We are range bound, okay? We can do a little range bound technical analysis, but where are we looking to hold? Huh? Who would have thought? 63,000, 64,000, caught in the middle. Point of control, retap, okay? So we are in a critical area right now. Why is it critical? Because if we are to continue onwards and upwards, we would technically like to see a bounce out of this area here. Generally. My only issue is the way we've moved up here, we can see that we've created a boat ton of liquidity below us here. So if this and that, right? So we know we're in a golden pocket 786. We know we have a potential 3 highs. If this was higher, it would be head and shoulders, but 3 drives is burgers and fries is good enough for me. So what do we want to see? Well, we want to see some sort of bottoming structure here and mitigation of the highs so that we can see some reversal structure. Going into Friday, okay, unless we dump today, going into Friday, I would expect us to pretty much be here. 63,000 is a critical volume macro support level, guys. Okay? You see the big green line? We're on it. So how price behaves within here is critical. We gave you guys the pink box at the start of the week. Look where we are. Okay. Up here is acceptance into the previous range. Okay. It's very important we understand where we are in relation to price action, right? So acceptance, getting back up and flipping this and holding means we come up into this guy here. And we would look to rotate up into that $72,000 area. Now, it typically takes a couple of attempts to get going here. Okay, a couple of attempts to break through. I want to break free. Okay. And we're not there. We're clearly bearish divergence in here. Struggled at the top, broke down, broke structure. Rotation down, lazy river trade is short. Okay, and we've been scalping this really well, giving the levels in advance. A lot of people have done really well considering how slow the price action is. And in this environment where price action is like, bam, boop, bam, boop, right? We need to be patient. We need to pay ourselves. If you are like swing trading, at least double/triple your time expectations, right? Even as for a scalper like myself, I know that like these candles are feelings based a lot of the time because of the way the market's moving. And we can't trade feelings here or you'll be very upset. Feeling trading doesn't get you anywhere. So if this, then that. Well, our major pink box retracement level is down below here. So we would go swing low to swing high. We have not come back into this area at all. And we may need to revisit, 60,400 area. Okay, that would be the target. If we're going to break down, that would be my target here. Okay. Our beautiful, beautiful planned out, July rally started with a bang and now has ended with a range, right? So when we're range bound in July with low volatility, you just need to be patient, which is really hard, especially after all this fun, right? All the fun, boom, 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 boom. Patient, set up your traps, prepare to wait, right? I think Wayne said it, the patience pays, right? Our levels are still fire. It's just the time it takes to play out takes time. So when we're looking generally where we're at, what we're looking for, when we look at stuff like Market Cipher, we can see simply, my only concern right now is that we got 3 black crows to the downside. We had a beautiful push up on that daily, getting everybody excited. Bearish divergence dump here. So what this suggests, 3 black crows, is consolidation continuation. Okay? Consolidation continuation. So be aware of that. That is on the table coming into next week. These are very important things, right? We try to prepare for these things, right? I always go, it's not morbid, but worst case scenario is we're coming for this low, right? And we sweep it, and we bounce back, and maybe we continue down a little bit. That's fine. Worst case scenario, right? So how do we prepare for that? Well, we look for shorts up here. Best case scenario is we find support on 63 here. We hold 63. We consolidate, and we continue. What I'm expecting is for us to find an area, which where we are right now is critical. Okay. Otherwise, we're going to 58. Okay. If we hold this area into the weekend, I would expect a very boring chopping range into the weekend. And then Monday to, well, next week, Monday to, next week is good. There's not a lot of data. Okay. We have Canadian inflation, which is sky high, but we don't have any major U.S. economic data coming out next week. So next week is going to be a breath of fresh air. We're probably just going to get Donald tweeted on, which is better than getting Donald tweeted on and a plethora of news. So it's a pretty clear week coming up. So I'm looking forward to trading a non-news event week, but, Donald Trump is trying to sell his Truth Social. Did you guys see that? Donald Trump trying to sell his Truth Social tweets so that you can have like an edge on the market. It's like selling farts in a jar, man. What is wrong with this market right now? It's so manipulated. It's ridiculous. So if this and that, market cipher is suggesting down right now. Anchor wave to the downside. Money flow inward curvature. VWAP to the downside. 12 hours, same deal. 3 drives up at the highs. Bearish divergence. Money flow still posturing to the downside. Trying to find support here. You can see that it's starting to work its way back, but it's not there yet. Right? 8-hour money flow has crossed to the downside. All right, trying to find support, not there yet. 4-hour anchor wave, anchor trigger wave, trying to continue upwards. Nice positive posturing here, but money flow is still suggesting downwards. You want to see money flow and VWAP and momentum work together. That would be a bullish sign coming into the weekend. Okay, the 3, the 2, and the 1, very similar. Trying to find that support. 1's resetting. Does it defend the 0 line? Can we get a trigger wave into here maybe later on this afternoon? Okay, we are in a bounce level right now. So can we get going? Right now, it doesn't look like it. We have bounced off of our 786. We are holding the lows. Can we get going? Right? Rejection off of our golden pocket. Rotation down, losing VWAP again, right? We just lost VWAP. Breakdown, retest, continuation down. Looking to come back into 62,900. Slow and painful death. 1% range here. So sell wall up here. I don't know if any of you guys shorted that. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. And thank you everybody for being here. We'll continue to hopefully help you guys navigate the charts. Scammers are people too. Are we in any trade yet? No trade yet. Showing the trades, taking the trades. Trying to make crypto honest again. Still just hanging out here. So boring Friday price action. I wouldn't say it's boring. I would say it's exciting because it's still moving. There's opportunities. Good morning. I enjoyed your chart lesson yesterday. Thanks for being there, Craw. That's it, Kodak. Yeah, some people just get scammed because they're just... most of the times people get scammed because of greed, yeah. Yeah. If it's too good to be true, it's too good to be true, guys. Right? Wick's wife, good to see you. How you doing, wifey? God bless. Smash the like, guys. How you doing, Mr. Crypto Signals? Dusty. The daily take every morning and the levels are beyond helpful. Thank you. No problem, Harvest. Thank you for being here. Yeah, there's a lot of people who think the bottom is in. I'm not one of those guys. I've called for 47 since the highs. I'm sticking to my guns. We got ones, we got twos. Okay. Who's that Pokemon? Too good, man. I'm a Bulbasaur guy. Always have been, man. Bulbasaur from day one. Always have been. So many Charmander fans still. Maybe that should be our poll. Who's your Pokemon? Everybody's a Squirtle. I think Squirtle's the I don't know, the Turtle Squad was pretty cool as a kid, man. And Blastoise is pretty awesome as well. NASDAQ looks horrible. Yeah, so NASDAQ was in this beautiful triangle. And remember we were talking about it's going to get a fake out? Well, NASDAQ is in this beautiful, beautiful downtrending. We were drawing this out, right? And there's your decision, right? There's your decision. Where do we need to go? Well, 27.4 or 26.4. So you got some stops along the way. You also have the sweep of the low here, right? You keep it simple. If this, then that. This SPY, same kind of deal, right? SPY's the same deal. We go out, we zoom out here on the SPY. I know it's an Etch-a-Sketch, but I scalp, guys. I think the SPY holding up better than the NAS because people are rotating off of their rotating out of their AI, memory trade, right? Microns and the AMD and the SanDisk and all that. So the SPY looks a lot better. We have breakout retest holding, right? So the NASDAQ's down here. The SPY is here. Can the SPY hold and push, right? Technically speaking, you would look for this thing to pump to, $7,800, $7,800, right? Can't speak English this morning. So the SPY looks better. The DAX more volatile. Did SpaceX get slammed yesterday? Micron did. Pre-market down. Whew, down 4% again. Oh, Madonna. Look at the sell-off on SpaceX, guys. Down 5% to start the day. Yikes. Yikes. Tesla. Pre-market. Oof. Pre-market down 2.5%. Wild. There you go. And then Bitcoin rolling over right now. Sell wall in advance, right? Sell wall to start the stream. Some of you shorted, some of you didn't. Trying to hold on here. Breakout, retest, continuation trade. Still no trade right now. Still waiting, guys, but not looking too hot to start the day, right? Lots of things rolling over last night. Couldn't even get an answer. So we'll see where we get to today. I mean, we're prepared. It doesn't really matter where we go. We're prepared. We know how to trade. So we come here. We try to execute to the best of our ability. We're trying to find support right now in Bitcoin. Can we find it? We'll see, right? I think we need to come down here, right? We have a break in here, 12-minute break. So 1, 2, 3 down, Discord. So look for 2. We'll see if we get it. If we get an aggressive move out, we could potentially be looking for number 1, but this resistance level is going to be critical for today. It's how does price behave around this is going to make or break the day for you. I bet you any money. If you don't know how to trade basic support and resistance with price action, go into a chart. Okay, this is the best way to learn it. Go into any chart, pull a range. So whatever time frame you trade, right? So let's say you're a 1 minute scalper. Okay, go in, identify all your ranges, and pull a fixed range volume profile tool, right? And then mark out your point of control. So you go in here, mark out this range, mark out your point of control, and look how price action behaves in here. Okay, that's going to help you understand. This is where the most volume is traded. Okay, whenever you look at a chart like this is going to help you. You can see the behavior around this line, right? What is the most important thing about behavior around this line? Can anybody answer me the most important thing about this? What is the most important thing? It's trend, okay? It's your trend and how you, okay, look, overextended, but how you interpret when you're reversing, when you're retesting, when you're reversing, so you can catch this move, okay? Oh, look at this. Break a structure, retest, failing to hold, down you go. Pushing up, retest, grabbing liquidity, failing to hold, pushing through aggressively, continuation. You got to put some time in. That's all. Exhaustion in the lows, trying to defend the low right now, but still no oomph in the movement here. Chopping around the line. Patience here. We got 300 people here on the live stream, guys. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out. I do appreciate your time and hanging out, talking smack. Hopefully we can help you guys navigate the charts. We're here taking trades every single day. No one beat Almighty Charizard. Into War Toys. I'm a Venusaur man. I like Venus. I like Ivysaur the best. I think the second evolution is the coolest, like War Turtle, Ivysaur, and Charmeleon. Charmeleon, War Turtle, Mewtwo, Tentacruel, Aerodactyl, Omanite, Slowbro, Pidgeot, Arbok. That's all, folks. Catch 'em, gotta catch 'em all, Pokemon. I mean, you can't. The Poke Raps Monday to Friday, man. You can't forget some of them. I'm sure some of you guys in the chat can rhyme some of them off too. That was my favorite one. I don't know any of the other ones, but rotation down. Donuts. Yeah, donuts are bomb. Psyduck is S tier. Oh man, I don't know. SpaceX is in NASDAQ, not in SPY. Yeah. SpaceX got wrecked. The Nikkei lost 4% yesterday. Oh man, it's getting its ass whooped then. Good morning, Troll Games. Good to see you. Trying to hold here. Doji engulfing. Defending the lows. Doji engulfing. Continuation up here. Why are we on the 1 minute? Below VWAP here, getting a little rejection coming in this morning. I like the exhaustion on the lows here. If we can defend 63, we could potentially push up here. Potentially. Let's see. Waiting game right now. Waiting game into market open. Coffee pump. Coffee dump song today. I mean, the coffee trades hit every single day this week. It's been on absolute fire. The millisecond chart's your favorite. USA attacked Iran. What else is new? What's going on, Yuan? Carlos, good to see you, man. Psyduck S tier. Cynical is lit. That's is that a pun? Face live and long. Awesome. Magic Carp's number one. The red Magic Carp is number one. Red Magic Carp. Red Gyarados. Long the Persian rug this week. What? Won't lie, I wish I had more episodes with Dragonite other than Lighthouse Mystery one. Yeah. I mean, Hyper Beam was just overpowered, right? You know who was overpowered? If you caught an early Abra, that was game over, man. You get a little Kadabra going on, Alakazam. That was overpowered. If you know, you know, man. Ghost Pokemon, eat my shorts. Oh, man. The good old days. Yeah. Weakness here, guys. Continuing to bleed out. Great sell wall for the Discord this morning. You guys spoiled. You guys are so spoiled. Breaking down now. Coming to sweep these lows. Like I said, I like it down here first and foremost. We have breakout retest of this downtrending momentum as well. I don't trade. I'm not Tory trades, man. I ain't just trendline trading, guys. Okay. I don't have enough stop loss room for trades like that. Nothing beats a good trend line. That's for damn sure. I think trend lines are very good for the psychological kind of trading. They help you hold trades, right? Did you guys see the who wants Spain to win versus Argentinian map? Did you guys see it? Bro, Messi's about to dunk on everyone. Messi's gonna my Twitter is just Messi giving that head shake. That's all my Twitter is. That's all it is. This is my whole Twitter thing right now. Everybody, one in the chat. Is price going lower? All right. Want to find out? Woken the beast, man. You woke the beast. Woohoo! Everybody else's? Is that all it is? Right? He went full De Niro. Right? Yeah. That's Robert De Niro in football. I bought a PSA 10 Alakazam a few years ago. I'm up like 200% on my investment. Let's go. Let's go. Alakazam. I still have I should whip it out one day. You guys should clip that. I have my like first edition Pokemon binder still, so magic. Moneyflow loved the video. Awesome. Yeah, I've done 2 videos on Market Cipher. Hopefully they help you guys out. A lot of people like the videos. Trying to hold on to this level. This is no bueno. Coming into market open. I feel like this would ruin our streak. If I go for a coffee now, we'd be I think we'd get rugged. That's just how I feel. Push up into VWAP, dump. If we just stay around 63, it's going to be a hard day. I promise you that. It's going to be a long and hard day. Solana's come down to my key level as well. I gave this in the Discord last night, but it's got to defend 74. Otherwise, we're going a lot lower. And the way the Nasdaq's going, we might be in trouble. One thing that's interesting though is whenever you get like a big pre-market dump, you typically get a pump for the rest of the day, right? So I'm ready. If you're ready, we're all ready, right? Tesla down to 380 again. I might have to buy more. Lower. Trying to hold here. Solana as well. I'm going to go get some coffee. I feel like this coffee long is going to be bad, though. We'll see. Coffee long. Before we start picking up here.
Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watching for. Send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. See you later, Bitcoin. Bye-bye, soul. Elevator down. Losing control. Trapping the boost, drop at the top. Get out the way of the big old drop. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Pay yourself on the way down. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it fall. Send it to 0.
It had to fail once, man. It had to fail once. It had to fail once. All right.
It's an auto gang life for us. It's an auto gang life for us.
Instead of top
Oh, we lost
blasting,
33 people.
instead of round tripping,
Take the bits.
it's another gang.
Dump it, baby.
Gang life for us.
Hey, 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 hey.
Hey.
Yeah, we do not trade the chop.
We do not buy the pop.
Get out of your wanking chariot today. That is how a gang gets paid. No namby-pamby on the chop. No
Don't
douche
do it,
canoes. Play it smart. Wait for
4
the
for
V1,
5 is
slap
still
the
a good
print
win rate.
below. Take the money and run. Watch it grow.
It's an auto gang life for us. It's an auto gang life for
I
us.
said this one was
Instead
no
of
good.
top blasting,
Take base hits.
instead of round tripping,
Take the bits.
it's another gang. Lord leads the way. Take the pink box every day. Sweep the lows, get the friction on. Take the money and run till it is gone. Small wins, small losses, that is the rule. Don't get noodle slap acting like a fool. We identify as pre-rich in this place. Don't let the market punch you in the face.
It's an auto gang life for us. It's an auto gang life for us.
Instead of top blasting,
Take base hits.
instead of round tripping,
Take the bits.
it's another gang.
Auto gang life.
Base hits, base hits, base hits.
Take the bits.
Base hits, take the bits. Base hits,
Take the bits.
auto gang,
Auto gang.
auto gang,
Auto gang.
auto gang.
Auto gang. It's an auto gang life for us. It's an auto gang life for us.
Instead of top blasting,
Take base hits.
instead of round tripping,
Take the bits. It's an auto gang.
life for us. Now,
This thing had long been
Crypto
demo.
honest again.
yeah, yeah.
Stay true to the
Andy doesn't
digital.
like this one.
Auto gang,
Gang.
gang,
That's okay.
gang, gang.
You can't like them all.
Here's a little bit I wrote. You might want to trade it note for note. Don't worry, take profit. Don't worry, take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Dump it, baby.
Don't worry.
Take profit. Don't worry, take a visit. Now you wait for
Golden
that
pocket
view
now.
up slap to it. No namby-pamby
Dump it,
out
baby.
here chasing the bit. You hold your line. You hold your line. You hold your line. Don't worry, take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
CF freaking out. No, did we dump him?
All cops follow soldier. We need an okay, or else you're stepping way out of line
Got
here.
the personal favor I'm doing for Don Carlo.
What are you doing? Back him up now. We can take a look.
Can't kill him, John. You can't kill him. He's Paul Castellano's soldier.
Right through like butter, man. Woof. Right through. Golden Pocket 786. Looking for number 3 now. Look at this rollover, man. That sell wall. Woof. Beginning of the stream. If you're short, put a 2 in the chat, baby. Let's go. GG's. Let's go, man. I would definitely, yeah. You seen, brother? I be chilling, you know. What for one? I smoke more reefer than the rest of them. I mean, I used to go to this, well, I lived in, like, little Jamaica for, like, 3 years, Dufferin and Eglinton in Toronto. And, I mean, they used to have the craziest jerk chicken shops in the world, man. You get $10, you get, like, rice and peas and jerk chicken. They make it straight up in the barrel. So good, man. I had the same barber, God bless him, Frankie, since I was like 13. He's been my barber all the way to so he's been my barber for like 25 years. And there'd be a lineup of like all these mandem, a whole bunch of them, and he'd be like, Alex, wagwan, and he would let me skip the line in front of all of these huge man, like intimidating people. A rough barber shop, but he would let me skip the line in front of all of them. It was pretty funny. Good times, man. Elegant style, Dufferin and Eglinton. Go and if you're in Toronto, go and get a cut from Frankie. Say Alex sent you. He'll take care of you, man. He'll take care of you. Good times. He's Haitian. Yeah, raps on Eglinton, man. You know. You're at Wilson and Weston. Let's go. Go up to Elegant Style, man. Right across from the No Frills. Right across from the No Frills. This is that's where you gotta go. Dufferin Eglinton. And go Street View on this thing. Fairbank. Alright. We got Pat's. I used to live over here. Over here. It's all nice now. Nice church. Okay, you go down here. Here's your No Frills. No Frills down here. There's your No Frills. The yellow store right there. Across the road to the right. You go down here. They're all renovating down here. Right beside the Shoppers Drug Mart. There's Frankie. Right there. Elegance right there. Go say hi to Frankie. Say Alex, the short little Canadian boy. That's the spot, man. That's the spot. Jump in here. That's hilarious. You're Wilson and Weston. That's hilarious. So awesome, bro. Yeah, you're right, Chocolate. Still waiting here, guys. Pretty good sell-off. Right through our number 2. Coming down. Break it down now. NASDAQ rolling over. SPY dying. Tesla dying. Woo-wee. Are we going to be buying some stocks today, baby? He's going to make it all great again. Mr. Donald. Rotation down here coming into market open. 18 minutes here. Happy days. Thank you guys for being on the live stream. Live every morning. Hanging out with you guys. Taking trades. Showing trades. Couple of good trades. Gave you guys that pink box on the Wednesday. If you guys are short from there, you guys are printing. It's been good. Expecting gap down here for the SPY this morning. Bitcoin rolling over, coming back, humble pie. This is our 786 level, so I would like to see some sort of support come in here, but hey, beggars can't be choosers, so try to remain patient here. Nice sell-off here, coming back for that liquidity like we talked about this morning. Losing VWAP, rotation down. A little patience required right now. Faces rolling over. Is he long?
Sit down.
He's watching a movie. He's watching Gotti. Did you go to Jane and Finch area? I used to go over there all the time. I mean, when I landscaped, I used to be over there. I used to do Steels and Jane. So I used to do those big buildings at Steels and Jane up there. Now you live P Mall? Yeah. I grew up Queen and Broadview Regent. I think you guys know this anyways. It's such a small world. Crazy. Now we're on YouTube clicking buttons together. You should check out Trader Geo too. He's in Saga. Trader Geo's in Saga-ish. I won't give away his location though. He's West Side. We'll leave it at that. At least we got a bunch of Leafs fans in the chat. Trying to hold 786 here. Trying to push back, double bottom on the oscillator, overextended to the downside. Market selling off. Solana losing critical level of support here, guys. Solana coming back down, man. 72? 72 Solana, maybe? Damn. Soy boy Lana getting absolutely slammed. Slammed. So good. This is good, man. Come down. I'll buy some more. Bitcoin trying to be resilient today. Interesting. NASDAQ choppy. All my alerts are going to go buck when this market opens. He blew up a bridge, right? Is that why everybody's getting all panic mode right now? Yeah? Where's the needs to hold here. Yikes. Bitcoin pushed back here into market open. We got 333 people here on a Friday, big dump day. Yeah, that's crazy. We went from 310 people down to 260 when I go for a coffee. If I just like steady streamed, I mean, it's not a bad P&L. I know some of y'all wish your P&L looked like this. Look at that. That's my stream P&L. See, small losses, big wins, guys. Small losses, big wins. I could do lessons on my stream P&L card. All right? Right? Good risk management. Right? You took a little bit of a overtraded here. Overtraded a little bit, but slow and steady down, and then, you know, found some support. And now we are up and to the right again. Good P&L chart here. on the live stream. All right. Why did you delete the long box? Because it's been mitigated. Bruins are done, man. You guys absolutely robbed us though. For I can't believe we let you rob us for Carlo, man. The Bruins robbed the Leafs for Carlo. You got Fraser Minton, man. I'm surprised we gave him up. Absolute stupid move. Minton is awesome. He's a good little player. Nice pushback here. Solana, rotation down. Coming into market open 12 minutes. NASDAQ trying to find some support. Biddy looks weak. Biddy needs to come for the low. Base is watching a movie. We little push back here. Trying to hold. I feel like New York will pump today. Yeah. I feel like they've set us up for a pump. Definitely, right? With a big old rug. But yeah, don't you owe us a first round pick? I mean, we got McKenna, so you guys can chill. Alex, what do you think about Kawhi back in Toronto? I mean, Kawhi's a god, man. If you watch the series, that shot against the 76ers, man. I think him and Barnesy can do some damage. Mitigate the lows. So if we mitigate the lows, it can mean either or, right? So mitigation just means that we've come for them no matter what. So mitigating is just you've tapped it. Now the behavior of price action at the lows is what? You can have a candle close or you can have a sweep, right? So either way, it's been mitigated. It's been tapped, right? So taking the lows. You can think of mitigation as taking or the behavior of price action is what's important, right? If we're candle closing below here, right, we've broken the structure, then we're expecting lower high, right? If we sweep, that means we've taken liquidity and there's a potential for a higher low, right? That's what I mean by that. NASDAQ trying to find some support here. Coming into market open, 8 minutes. Bitcoin pushing back. No problem, Brilo. Moon for Big Papa. VIX is at 19, yeah. I'm getting some volatility in the market today, which is nice. Which is always welcomed, right? It still doesn't mean, we overtrade. It just means that price will get there a little bit faster and we'll get stopped dead a little bit quicker and we'll win a little bit quicker, right? So it's just the adjustment of speed, of volatility. Oops. Oh, I almost lost that down the shirt. Whoop. Can we go? Where we stop, only Donald Trump knows. at this rate. He's the master puppeteer. Seven minutes. Feels like a long countdown to market open here, but NASDAQ clear weakness across the board. ES rolling over pretty badly here. Big gap down for SPY. Filled that gap yesterday. Left that gap behind. Left that gap behind. Interesting. Now we're going to close. This is the fake out move. So here's our breakout, retest, fake out. Coming back to imbalance in here on the SPY. Interesting. Trying to find bottoming structure in here. Yeah, 786 bounce, trying to do it. Still valid. And get rid of this trend line. Could be nasty. $62,000 is definitely on the table. Sell wall given an advance this morning. Pink box given an advance this week. I mean, that's a beautiful pink box short. 2-day trade, though. Took its time. Still a nice 5% move up at the highs. Below 63, unless we can reclaim 63, this is bearish, and we're looking to rotate all the way back down to 60,400. That would be my number. Do we get there today? Probably not. But that's what I'm preparing for. Thank you for being here, guys. There's a giveaway today, too. So before we start here, we do $2,000 on Friday. You guys are all signed up with the Bitunix link. Thank you guys for doing that and supporting the channel. It does help the channel. We do $5,000 worth of giveaways every week. Pinned in the comments here. So all you do is sign up and deposit. You get entered into the raffle. Supports the channel. Also, you get the VIP 3. All that good stuff. So it's like a great deal in that sense too. So use the Bitunix link pinned in the channel and support the channel. Thank you guys for using that. I'm working on some other deals with like BloFin and WeX and MexC right now. I'm just trying to get you guys whatever exchange you use. Just try to get you guys some good deals. So, I mean, you got to use one. So hopefully I can provide some good deals for everybody. And thank you guys for using that link and supporting the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for being here. We're live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15, taking the trades, showing the trades, trying to make crypto honest again. We're here every day. We've been here every day for 4 years and profitable trader. We just deposited $20,000 into our bank account on, was it Wednesday or Tuesday? Right? I typically build my account from 35 to 55, take profits and rinse and repeat. Trading about $400,000 to $800,000 position size, trading a $400,000 trading account of personal. So just trying to show you that it's possible. But I do appreciate you guys being here and smashing the like buttons, building in the bear with me, putting in the work. At the end of the day, the only thing really required is for you to say good morning. Don't be a fucking weirdo. It's Friday. Say good morning. Looking forward to trading with you guys today coming into market open. Solana trying to hold here. Push back. I like where the oscillator is right now. That's about it. It's the only thing I like is where the oscillator. We were overextended on the 12 and 24 trying to push back. So I don't mind where the oscillator is. Might need to come back and retap the order block here. This would be a good sell wall, in my opinion. VWAP, order block, continuation down. Looking for this potentially today. We'll see. But patience here. Sell wall given in advance this morning. Worked out really well. And now we'll see where we get to. Thank you guys for being here. Good morning. And hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. Happy Friday. Everybody profitable this week. 48% of you are up this week. Let's go, man. It's normally around like 42%. You guys are just crushing it lately, man. It's that pink box. It's definitely that pink box. What's the basis for all your horizontal levels? Volume, support, and resistance. Maybe learn his name first. Yes, Daniel. And you can now, too, with a monthly, the monthly subscription to True Social. The hell is going on? Hey, Daniel, why is your channel called AlexOCrypto? No clue, man. Daniel O. Crypto. I could do Daniel O. Crypto. You can call me whatever you want. My pronouns are King Beaver and Lord Otter, and I identify as profitable. That's what I prefer. But you can do whatever you want, man. I'm so getting banned. Oh, man. What's going on, Jesse? Farmer, good to see you, bro. Frenchie, Notorious. Bitunix never gave you a problem in Canada? Nope. No issues. I use a VPN everywhere anyways, so. I'm actually in Iceland. Sometimes Australia. Has Committee on Financial Services hosting a field hearing on the Clarity Act? Yeah, that should be interesting. Good morning, WB. Good to see you, man. G1, how you doing, brother? Mining fiat in the morning sucks. Pink boxes are awesome. Yeah, we love a good pink box, man. 380 people here, 129 likes. Thank you, guys. That's cool. You're shaking right now for you making fun of pronouns? That's okay, man. You're probably in the right place. If it's not offensive, it should... It's oh, man. KuCoin? I haven't used KuCoin for like 3 years, man. Market is open. Let's go, baby. Big gap down for the S&P. Oof. Can we push back? Tesla. Alerts going off. Bitcoin trying to push here. NASDAQ. Sweep and go. Can it push back? Bitcoin trying to push. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Solana beaten up quite well. Can it hold support here, or are we going to continue to rug, looking for a retest of previous lows, potential continuation down as well? Bitcoin looking to push back into this order block, trapping shorts at the lows, coming into market open. S&P rolling over this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let's see where we get to. Bitcoin not looking too happy-go-lucky. Trump doing his thing, you know? Really doing his thing. A-Lab going off. Man, all my alerts for stocks are going off. Everything getting a good old rug show. S&P down this morning. NASDAQ trying to defend the lows. Not looking too hot. We'll see where we get to. Thank you guys for being on the live stream and hanging out with me here today. Bitcoin rug show. Looking to come for the lows and potentially bounce. However, sellers are clearly in control. Thank you for being here. S&P lower. Lower, lower, lower. Tesla. Sheesh. Lower. Tesla hitting that 380. Key level. I'm going to have to put this thing lower. Down here. Damn, Daniel. Bitcoin. Flat. Can it roll over? Or are we going to hold here? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. And put a 3 or skis in the chat if you're sitting on your hands. If you know, you know. All right. Solana pushing back here. SPY. Yikes. Still looks bad. Looks terrible. Looks terrible. Bitcoin pushing back. Big old pushback. I like the bottoming structure here, like I said, on the oscillator, but not married to it. Yeah, 1 hour. 24, trigger wave to the downside. Yeah. 12 trying to work its way back up. Yeah. Potential pushback here. Potential. There's always potential. We'll see where we get to. Where are you guys at? Longs, shorts, longs, shorts, longs, longs, longs. All right, threes. Lots of skis. We all skiing here. If you know, you know. Skis. As part of my trading, Alex made me sit on his hands in Vegas. Yeah, I did. Absolutely. Sit on this and rotate. Oh, man. Push. Oh, sweep on NASDAQ. Nasty. Sweep on the DAC. Halfway up the candle on Solana here. Can we get a push? Or are we just flagging out to drop? Bear flagging. Have you ever been to Bear Flagging in Ireland? The Bear Flag. There's this famous cider called Cummins and Dixon's. Make sure when you're in the town of Bear Flagging that you order yourself a Cummins cider and a Dixon's cider. I can't do it today, guys. I can't do it. Today's not the day where we go down Bear Flagging. But we will do the giveaway. Oh man, no trades right now. Still waiting, guys. Taking the trades, showing the trades, still waiting. Bitcoin looks like absolute knob cheese right now. So just here, trying to remain patient. SPY bleeding out, NASDAQ bleeding out, Solana bleeding out. This is great, man. A nice little capitulation. Looking to come for the lows right now. Thank you, everybody, for hanging out here. A big old scary dump for everybody. Sweep of the lows on the table. It doesn't have to take the lows. It's Elton John. I'm telling you, it's Elton John. And we're like, who's gay now? Everybody's correcting me on Elton John here. Thank you, guys. NASDAQ's taking the lows. SPY's still bleeding. Thank you, everybody, for being here and making sure that I knew it was Elton John. Hardens is your new favorite? Hardens. Is that their new IPO? Oh, man. Solana looks terrible. This is good, man. I love a little capitulation. Down we go. Where we stop, only Army Piper knows, as usual. Coming for that low. SFP in the place to be. Whew, we may need to come lower, guys. Liquidity down below in here. Let's make sure that we are prepared. I'm watching it on my other screen. Sweep here. Put on our sweep levels here. Coming for the low right now as we speak. And that low there. Okay. Down we go. Can it hold? Can it hold? SFP on Nasdaqian. Doesn't look too hot here, guys. Rotation. Whew, Solana. See you later, Solana. See you later, Biddy. Bitcoin taking the lows. Big sweep. Bounce. Sweep and bounce. No bounce. Closing back within the range. Not looking good here, guys. If we close back within the range, we long. If not, we run. Sweep and bounce. Push. Push, considering a long. No push, still waiting. Gotta push here, otherwise no trade. She's nasty. Down we go. Where we stop, only Dave Digital knows. NASDAQ. Dying. SPY. Dying. SPY trying to hold here. Not looking too hot though. Bitcoin no hold. Lower. We pop back up into here. We're long. Solana. No bueno. No bounce-o. Still considering long. Bitcoin still rolling over. NASDAQ still rolling over. No trade. It's a nasty candle. Still waiting here. No trade so far. Can it push? NASDAQ says no. NASDAQ says lower. Solana says lower. SPY holding on for dear life here. Biddy. No pushback. Stalling out at the lows though. NASDAQ needs to go here. NASDAQ goes here. I'm long on Bitcoin. Let's do it. Push you, namby pamby. TP1 hit. Let's bring that break even. Come on, baby. Into that order block. Retest the previous lows right here. Push. Push. Number 3, guys. Can we go? Up 800. GG's in the chat, baby. Let's go. Yahoo! I'm gonna win. GG's. I'm gonna get a GG's from my damn self. Oh, NASDAQ nasty, man. Gonna get stopped out here. All right, stopped out. $800 to start the day. $800 start the day. Happy days, guys. Sorry, 767. I lied. I lied. Look at this one. Even Bitunix wants you to touch my big balls. Look at this one. It wants everybody to touch my balls. Look. There's your Friday comment, okay? Touch my balls. My chocolate. Salty. Quick scalp. Down we go. Retest to previous lows. Continuation down. You gotta laugh, man. Oh, man. Why did I long and not short? I saw the SPY holding here. I saw the SPY holding. We have SFP, which is the number 3. Trying to push back here. It stalled out. I like the strength. I like where the oscillator is. It didn't go. That's all. We're overextended to the downside. So there's a potential right now for a V-shaped recovery. If we sweep this low and bounce too, we'll see. NASDAQ dying though, SPY's dying now. So we had this bid coming in for SPY. If this continued to push here, gap above us, I would have looked for Bitcoin to fill with this SPY. We're clearly not getting it, right? Lower. So now we wait. I mean, we're up 800 to start the day. It's a justifiable scalp. Let it run. But where did we take profits, gang? We counter traded ourselves, right? We longed. We counter traded ourselves into retest of previous lows. That's where we would have shorted. I think we're overextended, so I didn't short. I took a retracement scalp long intentionally, right? And then left a runner. That's exactly what happened, right? So I'm not mad about the trade, obviously. I'd take that again and again and again, right? But my intention was to take it and leave it to run. Orbison. Ray Orbison. My goals aren't your goals. That's why. Good morning, Hem Droid. How you doing, man? What do you think about the Clarity Act dilemma? I mean, it's big banks, man. Big banks are not going to let it happen until they can make a cut, right? My fees eating up my profit when I trade like that? I mean, yeah. Yeah, my fees on that trade were $250, right? My fees be eating me up too, man. My fees are is your P&L for the week sometimes. Crazy. You got to pay to play, right? And I got VIP 7, right? So yeah, it is expensive to play. We try to help as much as we can with the fees, with the exchange deals and all that stuff as much as possible, right? I know it's not easy, guys. That's why, like, paying yourself is so important. And then also, like, if you're going stop loss break even, you should give yourself more to account for the fees, right? If you take break even trades, then you're losing $50 every time because you're tight to where you're entered and you're not giving yourself some more. It's going to affect your P&L over time, right? It's all about over time, right? Your time horizon must be months and years. It can't be days and weeks. I've learned that the hard way. I like Solana here. Solana trying to push back. NASDAQ trying to push back. SPY holding. Tesla. Tesla rug show, man. This is awesome. Dump it. Trying to push back here. I'm gonna wait a bit. I want to see bottom structure established here. Otherwise, continuation down. But I don't want to short here. This is overextended. This is not for me. We're gonna trade in the Discord live too as well. So I don't want to overstay my welcome here. This is pretty choppy at the bottoms. It's like choppy at the toppy, right? It's the same kind of price action. So you must always be patient. We're going to do the giveaway today too. I like the bottoming structure here, but I need to see structure. I can't just long anymore. I've overstayed my welcome with that long. So I'm going to I'm going to wait right now. I think that's the best idea I've had all day. I like a long here, but I need confirmation. I'm buying some more Tesla right now, if you're wondering. This is a buy level for me, so I am buying Tesla. It's not financial advice. I ain't your dad. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long though. I think, like I said, I think the long is good here. But I've made a beautiful trade today. So far so good. I would like to see strength. Ah, my mom messaged me. Shout out to AlexOCrypto's mom. Sweetest woman in the world, man. My mom's awesome. Single mom life. Dad left when I was only a little sperm. No. Got electricians coming today at 11 o'clock. I'm gonna get some I'm getting outlets installed in my garage so I can have all my power tools plugged in properly. Look at this. 1s for longs, baby. You guys are all long? Let's go. Fuck yeah, guys. My Muslim name is Allah Moonbar. Oh, fuck. You guys are great. Happy Friday, man. That's a Friday comment. I love it. That's a fucking great Friday comment. Notorious. Getting the shop set up in the garage. Yeah, I got the slider saw. I mean, Allah snack bar. Oh, man. Are you DeWalt or Milwaukee? That's asking me if I'm straight or gay. I'm a chippy, man. I'm a chippy. I'm a carpenter. DeWalt all day, man. We make fun of Milwaukee people here. We still love you, but we call Milwaukee people blister here. They show up when all the work is done, right? Nice push here. Let's go. NASDAQ bouncing, SPY bouncing into Friday. Like I said, like price is comfortable right here, guys. This is where we're comfortable. If you're long right now, GG's. Fuck yeah. Bull divs. SFP closing back within the range. Continuation into the upper orb liquidity order block here. Trying to fight back, man. Biddy trying to crawl back, defending the lows on the higher term time frames, right? Defending these lows. Golden pocket 786 bounce level. It's all there if you want, right? Nice long, guys. Now you're all FOMO. I've made a nice scalp long here. I'm always a bit early lately, eh, guys? I'm a bit early to the party. Solana looked good, man. That bullish doji engulfing continuation trade, that was beautiful as well on Solana. Retesting previous lows here. Important hold here on Solana at 73.79. We'll see. Bitcoin, if we get up into this area today, expect chop. That's all I got to say. Let's push here. Continuation up. Let's go. Let's go, Biddy. I mean, given the short in advance, given the short at the start of the stream, taking the long, giving the long as well. It's not financial advice, but I think we've been doing a good job navigating the charts this week. I'm very patient too. I've been having like $1,000, $1,500 days too, like very steady, which is a lot better. Last week was a fucking yo-yo. So steady, emotional, steady trading this week. I'm actually pretty proud of the way I've executed. And I'm proud that I've stayed away from the charts when there's been nothing there besides, intraday swing trades, which it's not always my favorite type of trade to take. I've made my hay and the market opens, and I've stayed away to not give it back, which I believe is like more important. Is the discipline to stay away and not overtrade, especially in low volatility weeks. I'm hungry, man. My stomach keeps going. Continuation up here, looking for V-shaped recovery. I mean, this is beautiful. Like, obviously, like, we've retraced here for that sell, but this is beautiful liquidity to come and take. If we can get above here and hold, ooh, baby. We are Valhalla trading all the way up to all of this. Am I getting you bullish? Now, if we fail here, if we do fail here, don't get it twisted. We couldn't fail. 3 drives up at the lows, but we can fail here. We're looking to go to 62 first and hold that. Okay, if we don't go to 62, then we're going to 61.6, 61.1, and then our major level at 60,500. So you guys have all your levels. You're spoiled for choice on this live stream, but prepared trader, profitable trader, level to level. Taking the trades, showing the trades, man. Order block tap. Yeah, so there's a lot of resistance in here. We got orb, we got VWAP, we got major volume resistance as well. Nice SFP trade though, guys. Beautiful like retracement at minimum into order block. So great trade. Can it continue? We'll see. Crypto Billy, what's going on, man? My man. God bless you, Billy. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day and a wonderful week. Enjoying the summertime with your family. I miss you, Billy. Hopefully you're doing well. Have you seen the Milwaukee booger sugar meme? Yeah. I've seen the Milwaukee, like they have like a snowblower that chops it up and spits it out into lines for you. It's mint machine. That's hilarious. DeWalt 12-inch slider, boy, let's go. That's the only way, man. It's the only way. If you know, you know. Right? Got my new baby out the other day. It's tripping the breakers right now though, man. I'm gonna get dedicated. Look at that pump, baby. I'm gonna get a dedicated outlet right behind it here for my bench. Stop looking at my cock. I can see you guys all looking at my cock. I can see you guys looking at my cock. If you don't know, now you know. AlexOCrypto's. Look at that pump, man. I wish I was still in this. There's my cock right over here. Got that PL Premium cocking. What a pump, man. What a call. Beautiful. GG's, guys. Such a spoon feeding session, man. Can we get some spoons in the chat? GG's, man. Fuck yeah. I love seeing you guys win, man. I love being able to call that for you guys. Number 3 for the printing. Let's go. Let's go. Here's that slap, baby. Let's go. Oh, this is going to be a good buy. What's the bet? SPY recovering nice and steady. NASDAQ V-shape recovery. Bitcoin V-shape recovery. This is awesome, man. This is so good. Sexy saw? Yeah, it is sexy. The rigid makes a decent saw too. My buddy has one. Take a beating, but what did you call? You called an early entry and exit? Yeah, Ryan. That's exactly it. We called the SFP number 3 for the gang. If you know, you know. Love it. England out of the World Cup, but I'm up and winning. Let's go, Hoto. Beautiful. Can we close above VWAP? That'd be good. Holding 63 is bullish. Fuck rigid. Yeah. Whoo-wee. Let's go. Nice push, man. Push. Oops, I closed a tab here. Three drives up at the lows. SFP continuation up. Can it keep going, man? Nice push for Biddy. NASDAQ loves it. Coming into that resistance yet again. Got a new low here. Let's just double pull our fibs here. Got to pull our fibs as per usual. Active fibs. Got to make sure they're all accurate. What a push. This is really good, guys. NASDAQ doesn't care. SPY doesn't care. As we discussed too this morning, like, is this going to keep going to Valhalla? Like, I wouldn't be longing here. 63 is a very good settling point going into the weekend. So be aware of that as well. If we chop in here, that's cool. That's 786 tap. Continuation out. This was a pink box too. The Discord knew. This is a pink box as well. All in here. If you want to see, I can show you guys. Discord privy. Last night. So we're looking for that bounce on Solana at 73.80. Okay. And we are looking for the pink box down here. 62,580. Okay. 62,500. Pink box. Solana. Looking for the bounce out of here. That was the drawn. Came a little bit lower, but happy days, man. Prepared traders. Let's do the giveaway. Good work today, everybody. Hey, Alex, how can I join your Discord? AlexOCrypto.com. Awesome, Trez. Thank you for being here. Went small on the SFP. Nice. Short squeeze, please. I mean, there's plenty of liquidity to come. What stocks are you holding, Alex? And what's your thesis behind Tesla? I think Tesla's robo-taxi takes over Uber. And I think everybody in the next 5 years is going to have an Optimus cutting their fucking lawn. That's my theory. We'll see if it happens. Maybe not cutting their lawn. And the Terafab Labs, right? There's a lot to go into. I highly suggest going over and watching Invest Answers James on YouTube. So when I'm in Invest, I'm not sponsored by this guy or anything, but James does a very good job of bringing you the alpha on Tesla, on Solana, on AI. Very good. Very good. Very good place to start, I would say. That's Marius, good to see you. Alex, your market cipher videos are actually the best Cypher B videos I've watched. Taught me a couple of things I didn't even know, and I've learned on previous Cypher B videos. Awesome, Adams. I'm glad I could help you, bro. Yo, we longin'? We longed. I'm out. Would be cool on that show. He's the AI guru. Yeah. Optimus better reshingle my roof. Right? The coupon code is correct, $68, but when I click pay, it states 88. Should be code vanilla unless it's expired. You can join the Discord. It's free, and then open up a ticket, and I'll help you out after the stream. Clarity Act live right now. Should we stay live? Where are they streaming the Where are they streaming the Clarity Act? Huddle. Dave Digital is the AI guru, Billy. Thank you guys for signing up with the Bitunix link. We do $2,000 today. We're going to do the draw now. And we may stay on for this Clarity Act thing if I can find the link after. Hopefully take some trades. Hopefully. We got a new where's the Dave Digital whoa.
Yeah. Listen up. Out of gang. Step into the clinic. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. You staring at the chart, paralyzed by the greed. Holding on the runner that is guaranteed to bleed. You won't take the profit cause your confidence is weak.
Way, Bond Star. Congratulations, 500 USDT.
Secure the bag, homie, step up like a man. If your strategy is tight, you find another play. Don't round trip the bag and give your wealth away. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick.
Nadeem, let's go. Nadeem, winner.
Don't be a dick for a tick.
The grand prize, guys, $1,000.
A pocket full of profit is the absolute best defense. Wait for the VWAP, slap to hit the flow. Take your money, run away, and then we do it some more. Stop, top blasting. Homie acting like a clown when the pink box prints. You ride the money down. The market maker algorithms want to see you break. So take the easy money that is yours to take.
NDO. Congratulations on your $1,000 trading bonus. Congratulations to everybody this week. Bonuses, $5,000. Live stream, $2,000 Discord. Bitcoin ripping. Don't be a dick for a tick. Long taken. Good fun, man.
Yeah.
Good fun. Good times, man. Honestly, no hype, my favorite stream on YouTube. Appreciate the no hype comment. We just here trading, man. Thank you for being here. No hype, no homo. Right? Now see if I can find this Clarity Act weird thing here. Clarity Act live. Oh, these guys have found it.
Act matters. 1 year ago today, the House passed it, 294 to 134, with strong bipartisan support. By drawing a clear line,
This is
between
it,
the
right,
SEC
guys?
and
One's
the
in the chat if
CFTC,
this is the right
it gives
stream.
responsible firms what they've asked for over a decade of uncertainty while capital and innovation moved offshore. And I want to be direct. Regulatory clarity is not a favor to industry. It is how Congress brings this activity onshore under American regulators with American investor protections. From where I sit, running clearing and risk, that's the heart of it. The failures that hurt investors, most notably FTX, happened offshore, beyond the reach of any American regulator. Under this framework, registered exchanges would live under the disciplines that have protected investors for generations: segregated customer assets, capital requirements, surveillance, and federal examination. Bullish follows these principles voluntarily today. We are eager for oversight that makes them mandatory for everyone. As the Senate takes up its bill, I want to focus on one detail that matters enormously in practice: the treatment of exchange affiliates. While early drafts would have flatly banned affiliates of an exchange from trading on it, we have appreciated that Senate leaders have shown a willingness to align itself with the House version of the bill, which instead permitted affiliate activity subject to guardrails. That's the right answer, and for 3 reasons. First, affiliate trading is not some novel feature of crypto. It's common and often necessary in the very markets this legislation uses as its model. Futures exchanges clear through affiliated clearinghouses. Clearinghouses trade for their own account to manage defaults and correct errors. Exchanges rely on affiliates to provide liquidity in new markets until independent market makers arrive. And the SEC expressly permits a broker-dealer running an alternative trading system to trade on its own
I prefer
platform.
lower orb
If
here,
the ban were
or upper
necessary
orb.
to protect investors,
Potential
our
long.
securities and futures markets wouldn't be built the way they are. Second, these structures are safe because they come with guardrails that work. Strict segregation of customer assets, conflict of interest management, disclosure, and anti-manipulation enforcement. The Clarity Act applies that same proven architecture to digital assets. Third, FTX is invoked in this debate, and invoked incorrectly. FTX did not fail because affiliates traded on it. FTX was an unregulated offshore exchange whose affiliate misappropriated customer assets, deploying them largely on other unaffiliated venues. A trading ban would not have stopped that. Every element of that conduct was already illegal for registered firms. In fact, the one piece of FTX that survived was LedgerX, its CFTC-regulated exchange and clearinghouse, precisely because it was under federal supervision. Not a dollar of customer assets were lost there. The lesson of FTX is not to ban practices regulated markets have used safely for decades. The lesson is to bring these markets inside the federal perimeter, which is exactly what this bill does. Bullish is the kind of company this legislation is designed to reach, and we want to build the future of finance here, in America, under American rules. I encourage Congress to finish the job and get the details right. Thank you, and I look forward to your questions.
Thank you, Ms. Abernethy. Mr. Lovar, you're now recognized for 5 minutes.
Thank you. Chairman Hill, Chairman Stile, and distinguished members of the subcommittee, thank you for the opportunity to testify today. My name is Ryan Lovar. I serve as the Chief Legal Officer and Head of Business and Legal Affairs Digital Assets for WisdomTree, a $160 billion asset manager listed on the New York Stock Exchange and headquartered here in New York City. I've spent more than 25 years working at the intersection of asset management,
All right,
ETFs,
I can't do this.
digital
That's how long I'm
assets,
gonna
and
last.
tokenization.
Two pump chump. Guys, it's Friday. One banging trade. Caught the low. You guys caught the low. I don't know. But it's been fun, man. It's been a fun week. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting the channel, hanging out. Touch some grass, touch some ass. Whatever you're into, have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Enjoy your summer. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye. Bye.
get fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building